With the popularity of Gen AI on the rise, I get a lot of questions asking about Amazon Bedrock. What is it? What can it do for me? Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service that provides a single API to access a wide range of high performing foundation models. These are the pre trained models in generative AI. If I go to Bedrock, you'll see that there's lots of things we can do, starting with the model catalog. And the model catalog is where you can see what are some of those foundation models that are available. You'll see that there are very, very many. It looks like 242 at the time of this recording. And those are from all kinds of providers, not just Amazon, but companies like Anthropic and Meta and DeepSeek. And so if I click, say, on Anthropic, you'll see, Claude 4.5, Opus 4.1, Opus 4, and so on and so on. So there are many, many foundation models from which I can choose, and I can use them in a serverless experience. So I don't have to manage a whole bunch of infrastructure. Bedrock also includes a comprehensive set of capabilities for building enterprise-grade applications with built-in security, privacy, and responsible AI practices. So I can use any of these models in just a basic chat kind of way. I come in and I select the model, say I'm going to use Amazon Nova Lite, and I apply, and then I can use it just in a chat kind of situation just to try it out. Now that's fine, but more likely you're building enterprise applications, and so you need to be able to connect programmatically to these foundation models and send questions. But maybe beyond that, I want to do all kinds of things like maybe add guardrails. So I can add guardrails that will, maybe filter the request on the way into that foundation model or the response on the way back, and cut out things like profanity and hate speech and things like that. So there's a lot that you can do in Bedrock. If you want to learn more about building applications with Bedrock, you can check out our Developing Generative AI Applications on AWS. It's a 2-day class that really gets you started.